Good day, everybody. Welcome to the third week of PeopleSide module. This week, we will be doing study unit 3. The presentation consists of two parts. In the first part, I will take you through a leadership style questionnaire so that we all know exactly what to do. And in the second part, I will give you a theoretical background on the questionnaire on which the theory that which the questionnaire is based. This module is about team leadership. Now let me share my screen with you for part 1 of the presentation, and this is about the questionnaire. The questionnaire is called the situational leadership style questionnaire. And if I can quickly read through the directions with you so that we all know exactly what to do. Point 1, assume you are involved in each of the following 12 situations. Each situation has 4 alternative actions you might initiate. Read each item carefully. Think about what you would do in each circumstance. Insert the number 1 next to the alternative action choice you think most closely describes what behavior you would use in the situation presented. Make only one choice per situation. Make a choice for each of the 12 situations, don't skip one. Move through the items quickly and stick with the first choice you make on each item. Your first choice tends to be the most accurate one. Remember, select what you think you would do, not what you should do. The goal is to evaluate what behaviors you actually use, not to get right answers. If there is no alternative action that describes what you would do in the situation, choose the item that most closely resembles what you would do. Okay, let's do an example. In the example, enter number 1. So for each table, you enter 1 next to the sentence most applicable to yourself. So if we read the example, I'm currently participating in the following module at Enterprises UP. The 4 options: advanced foreign languages, PeopleSide of project management, C, mathematics, D, anthropology, and the choice is obviously number B, and I mark it with a 1. So you will do for each one of the 12 situations. The second one, your staff, so this is the first real one. Your staff have not been responding to your friendly conversation and obvious concern for their welfare. Their performance is declining rapidly. You would. A, B, C, D. Okay, I'm going to choose B and mark it with a number 1. And I'm just going to go through, make a random selection so that I can show you what the results look like. So the second one, I choose number C. The third one, I choose number C again. The fourth one, I randomly select number D. The fifth one, A, and oops, that was a mistake. Fifth one, A. Just delete that one. Okay, the sixth one, right, and I'm randomly selecting. Number 10, number 11, I choose B, and number 12, I choose what I would do, number C. Okay, and then you've completed the questionnaire. Once you've done that, you go to the results tab at the bottom, and then you will see that your results has automatically been calculated. There's a flexibility table on the left and the effectiveness table on the left, and the scores are reflected in the bottom left-hand table. It is preferred style. There's style number 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is my distribution. Just make sure that they add up to 12. So 4 and 4 is 8, and another 3 and 1 is 12. If they don't add up, if it doesn't add up to 12, then you know you made somewhere a mistake. and the effectiveness score is 10. And then on the effectiveness scale, I'll be somewhere here. And you don't need to enter that, but you can see it can be a negative, -6, or somewhere, or a minus 13, that would just be below here. In this case, it is positive 10, and then it is about here. Okay, so I'm going to stop this presentation here, and then we will go to the second part of the presentation, and that is about the leadership theory.